How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and today's finally the day we installed the new 2015 style tow mirrors on my truck. Right now, me and my dad are working on getting the old ones off. This is going to be kind of a how-to, but kind of not. Boosted Auto is also going to release a video on how to wire these up 100%, so make sure you check out their stuff. But right now, we're kind of getting everything prepped, getting everything out. Getting everything situated. The caps are inside in safekeeping because I don't want them out here if they get scratched or something like that. So that's what's going on right now. But we'll check in with you and show you kind of how to do it. You know, how to put these in these mirrors on your truck. All right, guys. So right now we're undoing my old tow mirrors. Every truck's gonna be different if you have tow mirrors on your OBS or if you have the stock mirrors. So I'm not gonna go in detail on how to do that because every truck's different. So right now we're gonna take these off and get these prepped and ready to go. Then we'll start putting on the new stuff. All right, guys. So pro tip: I know you probably don't want to do this, but you're gonna have to take the door panel off to really get to the screws and stuff. It's a pain, I know, but make sure you also get one of these books right here. This helps you out a lot instead of O'Reilly's, Advance, all that good stuff. So we're taking the door panel off. That way we can get to the mirror location better. All right, guys, so we got the wire fed through here. Got it all hooked up, the ones that just need to be hooked up together. Door panel, stuff like that. Same thing on the driver's side. We got the door panel off. About to take off the old mirror, put that back on. Same kind of process. You got a little bit more wiring since it's your driver's side, and I've got all the bells and whistles on this truck. So we're doing that. We're disconnecting the old wiring, and then we're gonna install those and go from there. All right, guys. So both mirrors are now bolted up on the truck. Again, we're not putting the caps on till the end when we're done wiring and everything. Everything's set and ready to go. When you do this, guys, though, just FYI, make sure you have two people doing it because it helps out a lot. And there's a bolt up in the corner. Let's see if I can see it. Yeah, this one right here, up on the corner on both sides, that the washer around it's too big to really put it through. So you have to grind off an edge of it. We had to do on this one and that one over there. And you're gonna have to kind of wiggle this around for it to thread, and once it threads, you're good. But they designed it to where if it threads up, it's supposed to be really, really tight, which is what you want in a mirror because you don't want it loose, banging around, you know, jumping around, stuff like that. So I understand why they did that. So that's what's going on right now. Then we're going to do the wiring, figure that out, which shouldn't be that bad because we already had the wiring previously to the other mirrors. So we'll go from there. So right now we're feeding the wire through and everything. And so we got the wire from this one fed through. So we're going to zip tie it up, make it all look nice and neat. And then we found the ground wire location of the old mirrors. We're going to put it back into place right there. So we're working on that right now. So it's starting to get there. It's slowly starting to get there. All right, guys. So we just tested the mirrors. They work. What we did find out, though, and I'll show you all on the diagram, what we found out was the orange light to make these running on my truck. We do not have to hook that up. Once we hooked up, we turned the running lights on. They came on, did the directionals, whole 9 yards. This blinked, that part blinked. I mean, everything worked as it should. So everything blinked. So you might not have to use the orange wire. Now, granted, my LED turn signal underneath the dash is a modified turn signal LED relay. It's for LED lights. You buy it on Amazon, and the reason why I had to do that is when I converted the running lights / blinker lights to LEDs, I had to get that, and that's when everything turned on running wise. So that might be the reason why. I'm not 100% sure, but the orange wire you may not need, just depending on your truck. So that is a little fuzzy depending on what your truck is and everything like that, what other modifications you got on your truck. All right, guys, so we got everything bolting back up. Everything works. The mirrors work. They adjust themselves and everything. I got electric mirrors. I'll show you the final product and what they look like when you light them up, but they look really, really good on this truck. So make sure you stay tuned to the whole video so you can see how it looks out in the daylight. Oh, by the way, Colin's over here now. You see from the vlogs. So we're gonna go out, do a photo shoot or two or whatnot, and we'll go from there. We just got everything buttoned up. Everything's good. The rear lights work. What we had to do is we had to run a wire from the green light, or green wire from your reverse light, ran a wire underneath the cab up into where the two white wires come together from the mirrors, and we wired up wire nut up in there. So when I hit my reverse, go in reverse, they light up these two little LED lights right here, which let me tell you, they are bright. I opted for the high output ones, and they are stupidly bright. So right now, me and Colin are gonna go out and we're gonna do a film shoot real quick, show off the final product of what the lights look like on the truck. I've got the caps on, they look freaking fantastic, let me tell you. They look so good on this truck. So we'll head out and then you'll see the final cinematics of this. All right guys, we are at the photo location of the big reveal on how the truck looks with the new 2015 style tow mirrors with the black amber strips, rear reverse lights, and color match caps. So without further ado, here are the new mirrors on the truck. Alright guys, that is the big reveal on Ashley right now. We got the tow mirrors with the painted center cap stuff. They are from Boosted Auto, so link will be down in the description for all the info on them. Please go to them if you need tow mirrors for your OBS Chevrolet. They went on pretty much without a hitch. Now what you gotta remember with these older trucks is anything modern wiring, modern technology, anything modern like this, it's not going to be 100% plug and play 9 times out of 10. You gotta maybe do some rewiring, do some stuff like that, but other than that guys, they went on without a hitch and I freaking love them. Now huge shout out to my paint shop that did my caps on my mirrors. Again, all the links and information will be down in the description. They did a phenomenal job. I highly recommend these guys. We did have a hiccup though, where we did take the paint code off and it didn't match up 100%. Without even a hesitation, they took the caps back, they repainted them, matched them exactly 100% to the truck. As you see, there's like literally no difference between the mirror caps and the paint on the truck. They had to take my gas cap though to go match it, but it's not a big deal. But matched up 100% and no questions asked. Same amount of money they said was before. They are phenomenal people. So make sure if you live in the Knoxville, Anderson, East Tennessee area and you want professional paint match stuff done like this to your truck, hit them up. And guys, they're truck guys, so they understand where you're coming from with your bill, unlike some of these other auto body shops are like, whatever, just throw it to the wind. So that's who did my stuff. Again guys, I cannot be any more thankful for Boosted Auto for sponsoring the truck, for the paint shops doing their work, and for some stupid reason can't remember the name off the top of my head, but anyways, they just did a phenomenal job. And I want to thank each and every single one of you, because without each and every single one of you that support the channel video after video and everything, I wouldn't be where I'm at now and be able to show you all how to do this. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.